When you want to cut a key like this, the stubby key again, you're gonna need a jaw code, the S4. So this one is not going to work at all, because there's nothing to actually hold this key. So we're going to release it, take him out, and get the S4 jaw.
This is what you need.
It'll be this jaw to cut a tubby key. Once you want to actually cut it, you're gonna have to put the key in like this. Then afterwards, you're gonna have to use that grab screw, close him, make sure he's tight. Then you have to slide it in perfectly. Tie him tight. And make sure he's in that lines in between here. Then
The most difficult part of this key is reading the cuts.
yes.
So the easier part is cutting, is just the cut. So that is the thing you have to concentrate on.
So we're gonna go here to there. We go straight to Ford, because it's just by Fords, and then we go straight to Fiesta. Like now, I'm just gonna choose any one now at the moment. I'm gonna choose from 1995 to 1999. There we go. There's the key. See, as you see there, there's no decode. No decode. It's only to cut. So once you have read the key, you're gonna have to put in the numbers. So it's gonna be 2, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2. I'm just putting any kind of numbers in, just making sure there. You go here just to make sure
You find the right buttons.
the right buttons, everything there. You search offline.
There
There
found
we
one.
go. Then you go there. It's gonna say there cut. Then we're gonna press on the cut part. Gonna say there. Press again cut. Use your 2 more. Then you know, no problem. Make sure the jaw is clean. Jaw is clean, so we don't have to worry there. As we're seeing now, is now just gonna make sure that everything's in his line. So it's going to show you turnkey. So it's going to say turnkey S2. Make sure you read there. Now,
Showing on the left side first.
so we're gonna go here, straight here. We're gonna release the side, and then we're gonna turn straight to 2. So we're not going to cut now this key. I'm just showing you how to actually read this key and how to do it.
And then you press cut.
Once you're gonna press cut, it's going to cut immediately. And then
you
after
you just follow the steps of what
Yes.
they say. It will say the next one will be 3, the next one will be 4. All you do, you put a line on what the machine is saying, and afterwards you cut both sides, left and right. You're gonna turn the key right around, and this is what you're gonna do.
see, and as you see,
It's
when you with this tight, it's not moving at all. So when you cut and it goes straight to all the others as you're going left and right, then it's gonna tell you to turn the key. Then you just turn the key right around again. You go back to 1. You tie it again. Then it's gonna ask you just to make sure on the cut. You're gonna press again cut. It's just gonna make sure everything's in line. Then it's gonna go back to 2 to the left and then go to the right. Then you're gonna be all sorted after that.